Hi guys, it's your girl Lola and I'm back with another video. This is another Whitney Houston inspired Barbie doll. I love Whitney Houston as y'all can tell. But anyway, okay, first we're going to be starting with a doll. This doll, I'm going to remake this doll, but this is another mold of the doll. So I got this mold. I cut the hair off the doll and I bronzed her to, give her more of a Whitney Houston complexion. The other doll, I just scrapped her. So after that, I took the outfit from the other doll and put it on the Whitney Houston doll. Then I took some curly hair and then I created the doll. And I gave it a look. So finally we had a Whitney Houston inspired doll look and I did not like it. I think I bronzed her a little too much and I just did not like it. I didn't like her face shape, and this wasn't the era of Whitney Houston I was trying to do. I was trying to do the I Want to Dance with Somebody inspired look when she had the shorter hair, and this is not the color hair she had, and I just didn't like it. It looked like Whitney a little bit, but it just was not what I wanted. So I wasn't satisfied. So I had to scrap it. So next, I had to take the hair off the head of the doll. It was so hard because it was hot glued on there, and I'm like, oh my gosh. So I finally got the hair off. I cut it off, and then I got the hot glue gun, and I said, I know what era this body mold of the doll, what it's from. So I'm like, you know what? I got an idea. So I found the type of hair I needed for my collection. Next, for the idea of the dress, I got a hot glue gun, I got paint pens, I got scissors, and I got a gray silverish pillowcase. So I cut out a design, I cut out a shape for the dress from the pillowcase. All done. Okay, oh my gosh, this doll took me days, y'all. Okay, for the hair, I glued in some human hair from a 27 piece of used hair I had. And it's not used hair, it was old hair I had. I collect hair for my dolls. I used a little bit of 27 piece. I hot glued it on her head. I repainted her face. Darkened her face with the paint pens a little bit. The eyeshadow part. Okay, for the fur, I just used a piece of an old pink towel. For the straps, I use straps from an old Barbie doll's dress, and for the gown, I use a pillowcase. Now, y'all, the details on this gown, I drew with the paint pens. I just drew some type of flower type of prints to try. I'm not perfect. This is not gonna be a perfect doll, but I drew it just to give it an illusion of flowers, and it worked. It looks very phenomenal, and I just spruced her up, and I think she looked like Whitney Houston from the My Love Is Your Love tour. This is a Dolce and Gabbana inspired outfit from the My Love Is Your Love tour. It's not exactly like it, but it's for my taste. This is for my liking, for my personal doll collection. It's your girl Lola. I'll be back with another video. If you like this video, make sure y'all thumbs up, subscribe, and share, and leave a comment. Let me know what other doll you would like to see me do as an inspired Whitney Houston doll look. This doll will be permanent, so that's why I hot glue everything on her. Bye.